What's the meaning of cornrows? Cornrows. Cornrows.
Cornrows. Cornrows. Cornrows are a type of traditional African hairstyle where hair is braided very close to the scalp in neat, straight lines. The process involves weaving sections of hair under and over each other, resulting in a raised effect. Cornrows can be styled in various patterns, from simple straight rows to intricate designs, and can be adorned with beads or other accessories. This style is low maintenance and can last for several weeks with proper care. Cornrows have cultural significance and have been worn for centuries as a way to showcase pride in one's heritage and identity.